So they say, I might live or I might die.
Grabe to
They say
guys, pakinggan
sarcoma
yung
is one
mga
of the hardest.
sinasabi ni
Dapat
Doc
patay na
Willie.
ako last week. If I live one more day, I will give it to the Filipino people. Sabi nga ni Doc Lisa, kubain mo na kami, Lord. Ikuba mo na kami. Wag mo lang patayin si Doc Willie. I love the Filipino people. I want to serve you in any way I can. Oh, Doc, dami mong tip. Nagkasakit naman. Sorry. Tama na magawa.
Laki talaga ng pinhead niya, guys. Oh. Yan dito, halatang
this is the new Doc Willie.
Habang ginagawa niya yung video.
The old Doc Willie, yung duwag, is still there. But the new Doc Willie is more, how do you say it? More vocal, more strong, more angry, more vicious. But he is also kind. Anyway, kung iniisip nyo na may sakit
niya, guys,
ako,
nasa papel.
My serum, ito blood test ko, look for proof. Papakita natin. You know what my white blood cell count? White blood cell, 5,000 to 10,000. This is my white blood cell. Look. Lisa, focus.
Grabe, ang baba na guys. Yung white blood cell niya. Yung count, napakababa na.
Wala pang ganyan White blood cell, 0.36. Wala na akong white blood cell.
Halos wala na guys.
My hemoglobin is 11.6.
Yung mababa na rin.
My C-reactive protein is high. Look sasabihin nyo nahihibang ako pero this is September 7, my ammonia is 37. Normal is 11 to 35. Higher than 35, you will have hepatic encephalopathy. 37. Mataas. Pero ngayon, today, they check my ammonia is only 27. So, I am sane.
Yan, okay naman pala, guys.
My serum phosphate is very low, 0.42. You check it, I will show you. My C-reactive protein is 133.26. But now my hemoglobin is low, only 9.6. That was why I was given erythropoietin. Look, my second white blood cell is 0.69. Lisa.
Sobrang baba. Yan guys, binilugan niya yung mga mga results ng kanya medical.
Today, so white blood cell ko 0.36, 0.69, 1.52. Yan. Can you get my Neupogen? My ammonia is now only 27. Ngayon, my C-reactive protein is 152 proca. Ipopost ko to lahat.
Sa mga sasabihin niya. Forward natin ng konti.
Okay. So, this is the plan.
Ayan.
Lisa, lapit ka. Lapit ka.
Yan, medyo
how do I feel
na
right now? Itong body ko na mamanhid, ito po nararamdaman ko. Manhid na to. Hanggang leeg ang manhid. Look at my neck. Look at my central line.
Yan,
look at the injection. Look at the injection.
Yung balat niya halos nakalaylay na.
I was 75 kilos. I'm now 70. I lost 15
Daray
pounds.
na yung kanyang balat.
In the end, from 165, I might go down to maybe 130. From super middleweight, I become a flyweight. O ano ba? I
Ayan
need
dito
more
guys,
oxygen.
halatang hinihingal siya. Habang nagsasalita. Parang hirap na rin siya magsalita.
Final words na. Malapit na.
Ayan, pinipilit niya na lang tapusin yung
Okay.
video.
So this is the plan I got. Last night, I was sleeping and I got messages. I will talk about it in the next video.
Ayan, panigurado, maraming gustong
But for
uminterview
the
kay
moment,
Doc Willie.
now, you can interview me if you want later on. Pero I will release these videos when I am stronger. Diba? So I can handle your bashing. Because I said before, if you pray for
Hanggang dito,
me,
binabanggit niya pa rin yung mga
I
basyo.
will live. My message is, they say I have a
Talaga sobra
short
siya
chance
naapektuhan sa mga
to
bashers,
be
guys.
alive. So they say, I might live or I might die. They say sarcoma is one of the hardest. I may have 5 rounds of chemotherapy. I finished my first round already. I have to focus last minute to send my message. I love the Filipino people. I want
Yeah,
to
guys,
serve
ganyan-
you in
ganyan
any
yung
way I
kamahal ng mga
can. If you want to
Pilipino.
improve as
Talagang,
Filipinos, we should
public
love each
service yung mga
other, be
ginagawa
kind
niya.
to each other, forgive each other, magmahalan. Ngayon, everyday in social media, fighting, fake news, attacking, clickbait. Pati ako, ginamit nyo pa sa
Yan,
fake
totoo
ads
naman
nyo.
talaga
I will
guys yung
say
kanyang
it.
mga sinasabi dito.
I am not endorsing any product. Why are you not fighting? I am fighting them, but they're just so many. How can you put down all these scammers? I'm not endorsing any product right
Marami
now.
talaga naglalabasan guys ng
meds,
mga
no nothing.
ads
Wala
na nandun
po.
yung mukha ni Doc Willie.
Hindi akin
Ginagamit
yun.
yung
They just
kanyang,
use my face.
Image.
Why don't you sue them? I cannot sue them because they are anonymous. They are from abroad. Who am I? Nakakainis talaga. It's not mine. It's not my fault. I'm doing everything I can. I don't know if I will still be alive tomorrow. I had
Medyo nakakalungkot din
sepsis.
yung mga sinasabi niya dito.
My BP went low.
Pati yung
I don't
kanyang
know if I
BP.
can still live. Look at
Bumagsak
my
na rin.
face. Look at how ugly I have become. Look at all the scars. You want to see my bukol?
Yan, guys,
Basta on
dito.
my last dying breath, I will always say, gusto ko tulungan yung nasa probinsya, yung mga mahihirap.
Pagtulong pa rin yung nasa isip niya, no guys, no?
That is my
Kahit,
reason to live.
May sakit siya, may dinaramdam
Dapat
siyang
patay
sakit.
na ako last week. If I live one more day, I will give it to the Filipino people. Sabi nga ni Doc Lisa, kubain mo na kami, Lord. Ikuba mo na kami. Wag mo lang patayin si Doc Willie.
Ito yung nakakayak na part, guys, eh. Yung kahit kubain na lang daw sila.
Ano,
Huwag lang daw
acting?
mawala si
Yo,
Doc Willie.
actor. Papakita ko sa iyo ba lab records, acting dito. Maraming basher dyan, sasabihin, actor daw ako. Gusto ba
Sobra-sobra
ano
talaga
ba
siyang
gagawin ko?
naapektuhan ng
Tignan
mga
yung katawan
bashers.
ko, lupay-pay na.
Kagaya nga na
Ryan,
sinabi niya,
please get
guys.
this.
Kaya niya raw nakuha yung
Puro kayo
yung
fake
cancer
news, oh. Gusto nyo
dahil
din
sa
ng
stress
dibdib
sa mga
ko?
bashers. Yan, pinapakita niya guys yung kanyang katawan.
Gumanda-ganda na nga to.
Medyo gumanda pa raw
Ayos
yan.
na nga to.
Ibig sabihin mas
This is the best.
payat pa siya noon. Noong mga unang araw.
Sira-sira na yung katawan ko. Oh, Dok, dami mong tip. Nagkasakit naman. Sorry, tama na magawa ko. Malalaman ko ba magkaka-cancer ako? Show them my back.
Meron talaga
Ryan,
masabi
please
guys
hold
kung
me.
sino yung
I'm unstable.
mga maingat pa sa katawan minsan yun
Show
yung
them
mga
my
nakakasakit talaga.
Can you open it? Point area.
Yan, pinakita niya ulit guys yung kanyang likuran.
Where's T9010? Show them. Show them, Doc Lisa. Point it. Use your fingers, Doc Lisa. Where is the mask? Tanggalin mo na ito dalawa, the eyelid. Kasi ito, tanggalin mo na. Remove ito. Nandito po yan yung buko. Maraming salamat po. Pasensya. Pinakita ko ito, baka sabi nila nag-aarte-arte lang ako. Hindi po, I will show you everything.
May mga nakakabit
Thank you
pang
so
sa
much.
kanyang
I
paligid,
hope you
guys.
are well. I love you all.
Hindi ko lang alam kung para sa
Thank you very much.